Deep within the heart of the Andromeda galaxy, an enigmatic phenomenon known as the quantum singularity lurked, defying the laws of physics and challenging the greatest minds of humanity. Dr. Elena Harper, a renowned astrophysicist, had dedicated her life to understanding this cosmic enigma. She stood on the command deck of the exploratory vessel, Horizon, staring at the holographic representation of the singularity. Her team was the first to get close enough to gather pertinent data, but they barely scratched the surface of its mysteries. "It's unlike anything we've ever encountered," Elena murmured, her keen eyes reflecting the swirling patterns of the hologram. Beside her stood Captain Jackson Quinn, whose skepticism was as strong as his loyalty to Elena. "You really think we can understand it?" Jackson asked, crossing his arms as he peered at the display. "It's been an enigma for centuries." Elena turned to him, her expression resolute. "We have to try. The potential benefits are too immense to ignore. If we can harness even a fraction of its energy, we could revolutionize everything we know about space travel and energy resources." Their conversation was interrupted by Dr. Issa Neidl, the ship's chief engineer. "Captain, Dr. Harper, the drones are ready for deployment," Issa reported. Her pragmatic mind was always 2 steps ahead, planning contingencies for every scenario. "Deploy the drones," Elena ordered, feeling a mix of excitement and trepidation. As the drones buzzed into the cosmic expanse, transmitting streams of data back to the horizon, the ship's AI, Athena, processed the information at dizzying speeds. Hours turned into days as Elena and her team analyzed the data, facing countless dead ends and momentary breakthroughs. Just as frustration began to mount, Athena alerted them to an anomaly. "Dr. Harper, there's a repeating signal within the singularity's fluctuation patterns," the AI announced. Elena's heart raced. "Could it be intelligent?" "It's a possibility," Athena replied. Upon further investigation, it became clear that the pattern was indeed a form of communication. With painstaking effort, Elena's team deciphered the message. "It's a greeting," Elena whispered, her voice quivering with awe. "Somewhere within that singularity, there is intelligent life trying to reach out to us." The revelation sent shockwaves through the crew. What lay within the quantum singularity was not just a mysterious force of nature, but a bridge to another civilization. The Horizon's mission had changed irrevocably. No longer mere observers, they were now the ambassadors of humanity, standing at the threshold of first contact with an alien intelligence. The potential for discovery was boundless, but so were the risks. Yet, in the face of the unknown, Dr. Elena Harper knew they had no choice but to press on, for the singularity held the key to a future they could scarcely imagine.